In this video, we will talk about the linear equation in one variable, and we will solve some questions algebraically or using Desmos or the calculator or with the shortcuts. So let's get started. What is the linear equation in one variable? The linear equation in one variable, its form is ax plus b equals to 0. X here is the variable. We have only one variable in the equation, and we have a and b two constants, and a not equals to 0. So the equation or the linear equation in one variable, its form is ax plus b equals to 0. X is called the variable and a and b are two constants. The highest degree of this equation is the power of x, which equals 1. This is why its name is linear equation. For example, if we have 3x plus 5 equals to 0, this is linear equation. 3 and 5 two constants, and this is the variable, and we can find the value of x. Let's check some questions about the linear equation in one variable. I think this is an easy lesson, so we'll have a lot of easy questions in this lesson. So the first one, easy. If 2x plus 3 equals 9, what is the value of 6x minus 1? As we said before, we will answer it algebraically, and also we'll use the calculator, and we will try to use the shortcuts and Desmos to answer most of the questions. So algebraically, you have 2x plus 3 equals 9. We can subtract 3 from both sides, so 2x equals 9 minus 3, which equals 6. Then divided both sides by 2, so x equals 3. So the value of x equals 3, but we want to find the value of 6x minus 1. So 6x, it means 6 times 3 minus 1. So 6 times 3 equals 18, 18 minus 1, which equals 17. So the answer here is 17. How can we solve this equation using the calculator? Just bring down your calculator, write down, we will find the value of x. Write 2x, press alpha, and this button, plus 3 equals 9. So the value of x equals 3. Then put x equals to 3 here. So 6 times 3, it will be 18. 18 minus 1, which equals 17. This is with the calculator. How can we use Desmos to answer a question like this? We will imagine that we will have 2x plus 3. This is equation, or this is function, and this is function. So I will write y equals 2x plus 3, and also I will write y equals 9, and I will check the point of intersection. This is the value of x, the x coordinate. So the first one, it's y equals 2x plus 3, and the second y equals 9. And we'll check the point of intersection, this point, which is 3 and 9. 3, this is the x coordinate, and this is the answer. This is the value of x, as we mentioned before. So x equals 3. Then put x equals 3 here. So 3 times 6, or 6 times 3 equals 18. 18 minus 1, which equals 17. So the final answer is 17. Let's move to question 2. Of 4x minus 28 equals negative 24. What is the value of x minus 7? Like the previous method, you can add 28 for both sides and then divide both sides by 4 to find the value of x. So it will be 4x equals negative 24 plus 28. So 4x equals 4. Then divided both sides by 4, so x equals 1. So the answer is 1 minus 7, which equals negative 6, which is C. We have another method. You can use the calculator, as we said before. Later, yes. So write it down. It will be 4x. So write 4, then x minus 28. This is equals negative 24. So x equals 1. So 1 minus 7, it will be negative 6. And also like the previous method, using Desmos, you can write down 4x minus 28 as y equals, and also y equals negative 24, and check the point of intersection and take the x coordinate, it will be 1. Then 1 minus 7, it will be negative 6. And we have another shortcut. This is 4x, and this is 28, and this is negative 24. If you divided both sides by 4, you'll get the answer. Divided 4, divided 4, divided 4. It means 4x divided 4, it will be x. minus 28 divided 4, which equals 7, and negative 24 divided 4, negative divided positive, it will be negative. 24 divided 4, it will be negative 6. Now we have x minus 7 equals negative 6, so the answer is C. Let's move to question 3. Easy question. 7 times 2x minus 3 equals 63. Which equation has the same solution as the given equation? We have a long method. You can multiply 7 for both sides or divide 7 for both sides to check what is the answer. Or you can use Desmos or the calculator solve to find the value of x. But I think if you divided both sides by 7, you'll get the answer. Divided by 7, divided by 7. So it will be 2x minus 3 equals 63 divided 7, which equals 9. So 2x minus 3 equals 9. This is the same equation, so the answer is A. Let's move to another question. Question 4. If 3x minus 27 equals 24, what is the value of x minus 9? The same like the previous question. You will just divide it both sides by 3. I think this shortcut is easier than using Desmos or using calculator because it will save a lot of time. And you know that time is very important in the digital set. So divided 3. So this is x minus 27 divided 3, which equals 9. 24 divided 3, which equals 8. So x minus 9 equals 8. The answer is. Let's move to the next one. What is the value of x and the solution to the given equation? We have 8x minus 7x plus 130 equals 260. I think 2x minus 7x, so this is x plus 130. This is equals 260. Subtract 130 from both sides. It means x equals 260 minus 130. So x equals 130. And you can use calculator as we mentioned before. Just write down. Where is my calculator? No. This one. So we have 8x minus 7x equals, plus 130 equals 260. It means x equals 130. Also, if you want to find using Desmos, it's okay. It will be easy. So y equals, and this is y equals. And graph both, so we can use Desmos also. So it's y equals 8x minus 7x plus 130. And also this one, y equals 260. I think the answer will be not here, it will be up. Because you know that the answer is 130. So you have to zoom out like this. Yes, this is it. 130 and 260. And take the x coordinate. This is the answer because we want to find the value of, so x equals 130 as it's in this one. So I think using algebra, it will be easier because this is an easy question. And using Desmos, I think it will take a lot of time. This is the longest one.